MathBot Episode 2. In the first episode of MathBot, I gave you a general overview of MathBot and what it is capable of doing. This episode covers how to solve mathematical problems under calculation with MathBot. With this understanding, solving any mathematical problem under calculation will be a click away. Now, click the chatbot to start a conversation with Clara. Click Solve Math Problem to activate the MathBot. Since the questions we want to solve is under calculation, we click the first option from the drop-down menu. Click Send. Now we can ask Clara the question. Let's start with addition. Subtraction. Division. Multiplication question. Exponential. Kara should count before the 3 in the brackets to make the 3 a superscript. Sine. Cosine. Tangent. Inverse tangent. To indicate the inverse of tan, add a to the end of the word tan. For example, inverse tangent 1 will be typed as TANA open bracket 1 close bracket, which is 45. The a added here means inverse. The same thing applies to the inverse of cosine and sine. Let's take some examples. Inverse cosine. Inverse sine. Please note that the default unit of angles used in MathBot is degree. To change the unit from degree to radian, add angle equal to radian with a semicolon in between. For example, sine open bracket 3.142 close bracket colon angle equal to radian. Let's switch to the desktop app for the rest of the examples. Now let's move to logarithm. The logarithm of 100 with base 10 can be solved by typing log open bracket 100 close bracket underscore base 10 or underscore 10. Do note that the number comes before the base. If you do not specify the base, the MathBot assumes a natural log, which is base 2.71828. For example, if you just type log open bracket 10 close bracket, it will be treated as log open bracket 10 close bracket underscore 2.71828. The default is not a common log, that is base 10. Square root. SQR is used for the square root symbol. For example, the square root of 10 plus 6 will be typed as SQR open bracket 10 plus 6 close bracket. It should be noted that MathBot uses BEDMAS, which is the standard order of operation to solving a math operation. BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let's explain this with an example. From the solution, you can see that the bracket is first sorted, followed by exponential, division, addition, and finally subtraction. Note that 3 caret open bracket 2 close brackets can also be written as 3 caret 2. However, the bracket is required when the power is an expression. For example, finally, let's run through a few examples from past questions. UTME 2014 Question 9. UTME 2019 Model 2 Question 24. SSCE Objective 2019 Question 4. This is the end of the second episode of MathBot. Check other episodes of MathBot on TestDriller YouTube channel or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/TestDriller.